Guys, I got the Honda Pilot Trail Sport. I absolutely love this car, but what's going on in my neighborhood is people are breaking this window, the back window, or this window, trying to get into the trunk. I got this. It is not Honda OEM, but it is the closest thing that I could find to it. The fit and finish on this cover is flawless. It looks exactly like the Honda. This handle is nice in the hand. It's polymer. This is a solid piece. This is very, very thick right here. Can you put anything up here? You absolutely could, but I wouldn't put anything heavy up there. It would be pillows or blankets, maybe light stuff. As far as heavy stuff, it's going to push down on it. Quality is just exceptional on here. And again, this is very thick. As far as putting stuff here, you could. I just don't know that I would unless it was pillows or blankets or something like that. This is composite. This is really, really nice. Let me show you the clips on the back of those seats and show you what my one gripe is. But my gripe isn't with this company. This company is just basically copied Honda's version of this trunk. You have a couple pieces here that is optional whether you want to use those or just unclip those from the seats and let them drop down. As far as price, the Honda OEM is going for about $250, $200. This is $100. If you get a coupon on it, it's $80. I am so satisfied with it because we have friends that have the Honda OEM, spent $250, and you can put his right next to mine and you just can't tell a difference. We put it in by pulling these to the side. Let me zoom in there. This mechanism here just kind of slides. It's on a spring and it fits very, very nicely. It fits perfectly in the Honda. One of the things that you need to do and double check is that you get the right year. And so my last Honda was a 2017 through 2022. And you can get this in 2023 through 2025. I think that's the years. I might be mistaken. But double check the years, okay? They're a little bit different depending on the year Honda that you have. I will list the years with the cover that goes with your Honda Pilot. Just make sure that when you're looking in my description that you look at the years of the Honda Pilot and get the right one. I absolutely love this, okay? The last year's model is not going to fit the new year's model. Many people have asked that. Will it fit? No, it will not fit. It's different here. It's a different mechanism altogether. So if you have a 2020 Honda Pilot, okay, it's not going to fit this, but this one does fit perfectly. I'm very satisfied with it. And I tell you what, I can't say enough good. I say like $150 and I cannot tell any difference from the OEM. So here is this, and I think on both this one and Honda's, I wish they came up with something a little bit different. This just clips here. You can unclip it in 2 seconds. I'll do that for you so you can see my clips way over here. Let me see if I can reach that clip. It just clips it, and then it falls down like that. It shows you the clip. I think they needed to engineer something, but here's the thing. Since Honda is doing the same thing, I'm okay with it. If you go to lay your seat down, yes, you have to unclip it. You just would slide down like that, and I have to loosen mine up like that, and then you have it like that. And so you can kind of get it even to where you like it. I'm kind of a narcissist. I like it all even, but that doesn't look too bad. Now that I understand how to do it, I don't have to clip it on and off. I just have to lift it off of here. When I'm taking it off, yes, I can unclip it. I am satisfied with the quality of this. Again, I have seen the Honda. It is no better. It is no worse. I don't know that they don't come from the same factory. That's how close they are. And I highly recommend this. When you're putting it in, the bar is going to seem like it does not fit. Again, these are on retentioners, so you can move this and slide this over. I didn't scratch it, but I scuffed this right here a little bit. I'll put some Armor All on that. But again, you're just pulling this way. And the thing that goes into the side paneling of your Honda is rubberized. It's thick, it's rubberized, it's made of a composite, so it's not cheap at all, and it's going to stay there. This is a little tricky. like this, doing it with one hand, but you can see that I did that. Mine came with a little scuff. I'll go ahead and wipe that off. But again, I think I'm going to leave it like this versus hook up the seats. Hope this helped you out. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested at all. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.